Hey folks, it's Adam Ward here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your custom URL to a website blog. Very, very simple way. So the first thing that you need to do, if you don't have your website URL selected yet, you want to go to a web host like GoDaddy. So here I am at GoDaddy, and basically all you would do is you would search for your domain. So let's say you own, let's say you're an electrician and you're looking for Dan's Electric, right? So electric, let's spell that right, electric. And so you just hit go here to see if the domain is available. And if it is, it'll tell you if it is, so it is available. This particular one is a little expensive, but when you do this domain search, GoDaddy also runs specials for 99 cents a domain. Typically it'll be about $12.99. So when you get that purchased, right, so $12.99 means you purchase the domain name, and it's not necessarily hosted, but it is parked. What that means is whatever domain host that you use will have that domain's address parked with them. You don't have to pay them for hosting. I'm going to show you a blogging platform that you can use that it acts as kind of a web host as well. You don't have to pay extra for that. So all you really need to do is get the custom domain name. Once you've done that, then what I'm going to show you is, and I'm going to log into my GoDaddy account here. One second, so I can show you. If you're going to use GoDaddy and you want to go up to this section up here and click View Account, and then basically go into the Domains section. That green button that I just clicked said Launch. So once you're in here, if you've just got one website address, you'll see that one address. For instance, let's just take one of these, like Adam on Wine. This is one of my custom domains. And basically what we're going to do is I'm going to show you really quickly how you can map your new parked custom domain with any domain host that you choose. How to map it to your blog, your website blog. So I'm going to use Empower Network's Blog Beast, the ENV2 blogging platform, as an example of how easy it is to map this to your website. So you want to go to empowernetwork.com and log in. If you haven't already created an account, the blogging platform is $25 a month. It also gives you access to the mobile platform that's iPhone and Android compatible, where you can actually blog directly from your mobile device and have it post. You can post audio, you can post video directly from your phone, and you can also create content on your phone. If you can write an email on your phone, you can create content and post it to your website blog that way as well. So once you get to your Empower Network back office login, you just want to go ahead and click Login, and then we're going to go to View Edit Blog, and that's going to take you to your website blog. Now I have several blogs that are mapped to their own individual custom domain. So the one that we were looking at was called Adam on Wine. So that one right there is this one here. You see that the banner changed. This is the default banner, and it's just like Facebook. You go ahead and you can click Edit here and change the banner up. You can see that it's really nice and clean. You have full ability to customize all of the color and the look and feel of your new custom blog. So you can see right here it says adamonwine.empowernetwork.com. So what we want to do is we want to map that. We want to map this blog to that parked URL over on GoDaddy called adamonwine.com. So we want to click that little plus. It's going to drop down these options here, and then we go over to custom domain here just on the right hand side. So you can see now that I've gone ahead and I've selected Adam on Wine to map to this particular website address, right? This new blog that I created within the Empower Network. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to click this blue button over here, Verify Custom Domain. So let's see if this is set up all the way, and if it's not, so it is. You can just see that it says Domain Verified. So let me back up one step and show you what I did, and this is not a difficult process. Once you set your blog up here and you add your custom domain name, what you'll do is you'll take the Empower Network domain name and you're going to map it. So we're going to grab that. If you're using GoDaddy, do not include that period on the end here under CNAME value. So you want to grab that, and then we're going to head on back on over to domain details. Here I am in adamonwine.com, and we're going to click into this DNS zone file. Once we're in there, we're going to click Edit. And again, not difficult, it's just a few simple steps. And once we're in the Edit section here, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the www under the CNAME aliases, and then simply all you need to do is paste on the right side what it's going to point to, paste the Empower Network blog address that you got, again, back over here, right there, and you're going to take that and put it in there. Then you're going to click Save Zone File. So the only other thing that we need to do here is go back to the Settings tab within your domain host and click on Forwarding. And I've already put that in here, so what we want to do is we want to make sure that if somebody navigates to your domain and not putting the W's in, that they're also going to get to your website by adding W's. That didn't make sense. This is simply just putting the W's in. So whether they type W's or they don't type W's, it's going to go to your website. How's that? So you put that in there and you leave this on forward only. And when you update forwarding, it will update that in its records. So that's it. Once you've mapped your website address, then you can simply navigate to your let's see, that was Adam on Wine, right? adamonwine.com. And now you'll see that, that's mapped to your website blog. So to get started, if you do not have your account, go ahead, there's going to be a link below. This is powered by the Empower Network and it's fully customizable. Again, $25 per month. Give you the mobile app so you can also post blogs from your smartphone anytime, anywhere. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.